What if I told you that the car you're driving right now might fail in a real-world crash? Today, we're counting down the top 5 safest cars in the USA for 2025, tested, rated, and proven to protect your life when it matters most. Stay tuned, because car number 1 isn't what you think it is. Welcome back to AutoShield USA. In 2025, car safety has gone beyond airbags and seatbelts. We're talking AI-driven crash prevention, 360 degrees cameras, and even automatic braking before you blink. Every year, the IIHS, Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, and NHTSA release updated safety scores, and we've gathered the top 5 highest-rated cars in America right now. Let's start from number 5 and work our way to the safest car of the year. 5. Subaru Outback 2025. The Subaru Outback continues to be a safety legend. It's not just a rugged crossover, it's built like a tank with a soft heart. With EyeSight driver assist technology, lane centering, and automatic pre-collision braking, the Outback earned top safety pick plus from IIHS. Fun fact, Subaru's safety cage design hasn't failed a crash test in over a decade. But what's even more impressive, the Outback's crash avoidance system reacts faster than a human blink. So why is it only number 5? Stick around, the top 4 take safety to a whole new level. 4. Tesla Model Y 2025. Love it or hate it, Tesla makes safety headlines every year. The 2025 Tesla Model Y scored a near-perfect crash protection rating from NHTSA and continues to dominate EV safety. Its low center of gravity from the battery pack makes rollovers almost impossible. And Tesla's autopilot safety updates now detect cyclists and pedestrians even at night. But here's the twist, despite its tech edge, one traditional brand still outperformed Tesla in overall driver protection. Which one? Let's find out. 3. Volvo XC90 2025. You can't talk about safety without mentioning Volvo. The XC90 2025 is practically a moving fortress. Equipped with radar-based collision avoidance, lane mitigation, and pedestrian detection, it's designed for zero fatalities, literally. Volvo's internal goal is Vision 2025, no one killed or seriously injured in a new Volvo. And get this, the XC90 can even auto-call emergency services if you crash. Sounds unbeatable, right? But wait till you see number 2. 2. Honda Accord 2025. Surprise! The Honda Accord 2025 beats many luxury cars in safety testing. It earned 5 stars overall in NHTSA tests and is one of the few sedans with a perfect side impact score. Honda's Sensing Suite brings adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation, all standard, not optional. Combine that with affordability, and you've got one of the safest and smartest buys in 2025. But if you think that's impressive, number 1 is a total game changer. 1. Toyota RAV4 Prime 2025. The Toyota RAV4 Prime takes the crown as the safest car in the USA, 2025. Why? It nailed every crash test, earned top safety pick plus, and includes Toyota's most advanced safety tech ever, Safety Sense 3.0. Features like proactive driving assist, emergency steering assist, and blind spot monitoring come standard. Plus, its plug-in hybrid system keeps the center of gravity low, making it ultra-stable in collisions. In short, it's not just fuel efficient, it's life efficient. The RAV4 Prime proves you don't need a luxury badge to drive safe. A few honorable mentions. Hyundai Ioniq 6, electric and ultra-safe. Mazda CX-50, small SUV, big safety tech. BMW X5, luxury meets crash precision. Want me to make a part 2? Let me know in the comments below. So, which of these would you trust your family's life with? Drop your answer below, backhand index pointing down. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly car reviews, and remember, safety always comes first.